Good evening, friends. I'm Nalnakshi Swami, welcoming to my channel, Smart Index Edge. I was talking about I posted in community post about my clock. So I created with the help of the protractor. I can share this image to you all, and you can see you must be familiar with my 5-minute strategy, and it is the breakout of the 5-minute candle. That is the trend. Actually, you need to change your little bit to when it gaps up, you need to apply this. Uh, 1 minute, okay. Now you can see, you need to take this tool, my 3 cycle market increment. I've made it, I've shown it to you all about how to make. I converted the FIB tool into ranges, 1.5 and then 2 and 3 and 3.14, depending upon the circle, 3 market cycles. So what I found was something little bit missing in intraday time frame, 5 minutes. Not the 45 minutes will work. Actually, 5-minute, if you calculate the 5-minute degree, let me take the angle. If it starts rotating, the 5-minute degree is, it becomes difficult for me to show you. See, 5-minute is 5.97 almost. It is not exact 5 degree. So it starts rotating when the price starts. Let me lock this. One minute. This is the problem with this. Anyway, it will serve my purpose. Let it go back. Let me take out this. Then it will work. This tool I'll take it out. Okay. Now you can see here, when the price starts moving, you cannot make out actually. You can see that second when the reversal came over here. Let it go. Let the chart go to the visual, move to visual order, send to bring to front. Okay. Then it will be okay, I believe. Now you can see, I will not take the cursor. See, you can, if you carefully see the angles, you can see about 30, 35 points, 35 degree, the market is turning around. Around 5 degree, 10 degree itself, there is a reversal you can see over here. I'm not able to show the pointer. Whether I can use that pointer, let me check. Okay, let me check this. No, it will disappear because I'm applying on this. Okay, it started moving like this, and see the angle never changed. Let me go back and let me use the cross itself. So you understood what I'm going to say about it. Our market is only for 6 hours. You cannot get complete cycle. If you take the 360 degree, it is for 24 hours. Only 1/4 of it is our trading day. 6 hours, 30 minutes. So when it is like that, we need only 90 degree. So the angle, we should not go to 45 degree or anything. When the price starts moving above that, let me take out this protractor. Move it to the sideways. Why it is not moving? I'll move it to the sideways. So you can utilize this image to check whether it is moving or not. Even if you apply here, I'll apply here and click on that. You can see how the price moved. You can see clearly the price started from here and it gapped up. Okay. I'm not taking the pointer over there. You can see there, and the price came down and took the support around. If I place the protractor over here, this with the angles, you are getting the beautiful. And even people do mistake by seeing the intraday correction. It moved through time cycle. It is above all these levels. It is the breakout level. That is 23,524 is your stop loss. There was no. People might have gone buying put option, making all the mistakes by seeing the red candles. One should not do that. See, through the time cycle, the market has moved in a positive direction. You can clearly see this. Even yesterday, if you come back to the yesterday, I'm putting this circle, my own clock. This is trading clock. You can see how beautifully by taking the liquidity over here, it started moving higher. You can see so clearly. You cannot do mistake. And only if you draw the line to this level, you can easily draw the line to this range. I'll keep this and I'll put an horizontal line over there. So you can see that it tested that level and it moved up. And again, today it was a gap up. You have to see from there. People should wait for the correction. And even you can draw the line to that. It is continuing. Trend is continuing. It was slow. This is how you can take the trade. My 5-minute strategy is working because of the Gann cycles and angles. Price actually moving through time. It moves through time. You need to see how it is performing. So this is working very well actually when compared to all the other indicators like RSI or anything, moving averages, everything. Why it is working? Because it is based on the principle, not on the statistics. It is not based on the dependent upon the data. Data is lagging. So finally, I found out this Gann pi cycle, circular motion, everything, it is profitable. So let me take this for analyzing initial trend. For getting the initial trend, I am doing this. So I'll try to attach this protractor if it is possible. Image, you can utilize this and place it on your desktop and you can bring it to the chart and you can, if you right click, you can use this for initial. Instead of drawing the angles, it takes time consuming, it will not be precise. You can instantly, by seeing this, instantly get an idea what is happening, right? That's how you can do this. The 5-minute strategy is working very beautifully and many people are commenting on my video section that they are becoming profitable with pi calculation and everything. Everything is based on this only. So this is what I wanted to tell about this. Let me check whether I will be able to attach in my video description this image. I will do that. Okay, friends, thank you very much. I'll come up with another video in detail. We will analyze how it has happened. Today, it was a very beautiful day. Continuously, market is moving higher without any break. See, from the Friday's close, it is a gap up. That means Monday. Today is Monday, the beginning of the week. beginning of the week is in a positive note. So we need to see there will be continuation of the trend on Tuesday also. We need to see where actually I've made the video. I posted that where are the levels where it can face some sort of resistance, where it will go. The probable target is 23,978 on the Nifty. Okay, friends, thank you very much for listening to my speech and also seeing the video. Please do subscribe and support. Thank you very much. Nalnakshi Swami signing off.